Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This tutorial is on how to combine multiple sheets in Excel. Whether you're organizing data or creating a summary, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Before we start, let's understand why combining sheets is useful. It helps streamline data from different sources, making it easier to analyze or create reports. First, open the Excel workbook containing the sheets you want to combine. To begin combining sheets, we'll use Excel's Power Query feature, which makes it simple to merge data from different tabs. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon and select Get Data from the left side of the menu, then click on From Workbook. Choose the file you want to pull data from. Once selected, Power Query will load all the sheets. Now, select the sheets you want to combine by clicking the checkboxes next to each one. Then click Transform Data to bring it into Power Query. Once your sheets are loaded in Power Query, click on the Append Queries option. This merges all the selected data into one combined table. Now that the data is combined, check for any inconsistencies or formatting issues. You can also remove any unwanted columns or duplicates. Once you're satisfied with the data, click Close and Load to send it back to Excel. Your combined data will appear on a new sheet in the workbook. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos.